So we have just woken up and it is beautiful. Katie was getting changed, but she's back again. So we've just woken up, we've had some breakfast, got changed, feeling all refreshed, ready to go. This is where we stayed. It's just lovely, it just really is beautiful. So yeah, we're gonna get ready and hit the road for, what's this, day three? Day three. So yeah, onwards. Day three, we've just hit the road again. We're back on our travels. Decent night's sleep, very good food, a lovely view. So yeah, we're just passing the sea now. Katie's driving first today. So yeah, let's see what today brings. We have a new mascot. A little Harry Coon, a little companion. Yeah, there he is. He is now part of our adventure, part of the family. He's gonna live there forever.
I love him.
Onwards! Onwards, Harry Coon.
We've done a little stop at a place called Garlock. Just a cute little villagey town place, just having a little wander. Liam crashed Pablo, but you know, it's fine, I'm not going to mention that.
Small accident into a small...
We went to the Victoria Falls and there was a big rock, which Liam then...
It wasn't a rock, it was like a mound, it's fine.
Rock.
There's a gallery here.
Yeah, cute.
You're posh enough for a gallery.
So yeah, beautiful little scene. Stopped for the night and you can probably hear we're next to a waterfall. We've been driving a little while now. It's what, 7:30?
Yeah.
Something like that. Yeah. And we finally found somewhere but nowhere else is at. Liam's just putting my tent up. There you go.
What was that?
What?
That was your moth, a butterfly. It was a butterfly. Mum might have saw that on camera.
Liam's just in the tent and then we're going to chill for the eve. It's just stunning. That noise is just so relaxing.
It's just a nice spot actually.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Let me see if I can show you the waterfall. Ooh. Don't know if you can see it. It's all down there. Trickling down. It's stunning. Kind of see, kind of can't. Stunning.